Welcome to Technology Trends, the place where innovation meets excitement. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you're always first to catch the next big reveal. Nothing has just unleashed a major surprise with the phone 3, and trust me, it's not just another upgrade. The global launch is set for July 1, 2025 at 10:30 p.m. IST, marking Nothing's first true flagship moment. Expected pricing? Around $799 to $899 in the US. The biggest surprise? The iconic Glyph lights are replaced by a new Glyph matrix, a dot matrix LED panel that offers richer notifications in a sleek corner matrix. It features a 6.7-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED screen with an insane 3000 nits peak brightness and 120 Hz refresh, bright and buttery smooth. The design steps up too. Visible screws, transparent elements, sharp lines, and the Glyph matrix light in the corner. Under the hood sits the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4, marking Nothing's jump into true flagship performance. Camera setup is triple 50 megapixels, wide, ultra-wide, and a 3x periscope telephoto, plus a 50 megapixels front camera. This is nothing short of spectacular. It has a 5150 mAh battery with 100W wired charging, plus wireless and reverse wireless charging. Full charge in minutes. Nothing is promising 5 years of Android updates and 7 years of security patches, edging it closer to Samsung and Google's support levels. So here's the verdict. The Nothing Phone 3 isn't just a mid-ranger. It's a bold, premium flagship with flagship specs, design momentum, and major software support. What surprised you most? The Glyph matrix, the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4, or the massive battery with lightning charge? Let me know below. If you're hyped as much as I am, smash that like, share this with your tech crew, and don't forget to subscribe for the full launch coverage.